Easy English speaking practice, first time meeting.
Hello,
Hi,
how are you?
I am fine, thank you. How are you?
I am good too.
I think we are meeting for the first time.
Yes, I think so. My name is Ali. What is your name?
My name is Sarah. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Where are you from?
I am from Karachi, and you?
I am also from Karachi.
Oh, really? Which area?
I live near Gulshan. What about you?
I live in North Nazimabad.
Oh, nice. That is a good area.
Yes, it is peaceful.
What do you do?
I am a student. I study in college.
That's good. What do you study?
I study English and business.
That's great. English is very important these days.
Yes, I want to speak English better.
You are already speaking well.
Thank you. I try my best. What about you? What do you do?
I work in an office.
What kind of work?
I work on a computer. I write emails and make reports.
That sounds interesting.
Yes, sometimes it is easy, sometimes difficult.
What is your daily routine?
I wake up early, go to work, and come back in the evening.
Do you feel tired?
Yes, sometimes I feel very tired.
Same here. College is also tiring.
Yes, studies can be hard. What do you do in your free time?
I like cooking and watching videos.
Oh, nice. What do you cook?
Simple food like rice, chicken, and pasta.
That's great. I like eating more than cooking.
Haha, same.
What is your favorite food?
I love biryani.
Me too. Biryani is the best.
Do you like spicy food?
Yes, but not too much.
I like spicy food a lot.
Karachi food is very spicy.
Do you use social media?
Yes, I use YouTube a lot.
What do you watch?
I watch cooking and story videos.
I also like story videos.
They are very interesting.
I want to improve my English.
Me too. We can practice together.
That's a great idea.
We can talk daily in English.
Yes, even simple English is okay.
Yes, practice is important. Do you like traveling?
Yes, but I don't travel much.
Same here.
Which place do you want to visit?
I want to visit northern areas.
Me too. It is very beautiful.
I see pictures online.
Yes, mountains and rivers look amazing. What are your future plans?
I want to improve my skills and get a better job.
That's good.
What about you?
I want to finish my studies and do a good job.
Inshallah, you will succeed.
Thank you.
It was very nice talking to you.
Yes, I enjoyed this conversation.
We should meet again.
Yes, and practice English.
Okay, take care.
You too. Bye.
Bye.
Hello, what are we making today? Hello. Today we will make chicken curry. Oh, sounds delicious. I love chicken curry. Yes, me too. I already cut the onions. Can you chop the tomatoes? Sure. By the way, have you seen the prices in the market? Oh, yes. Everything is so expensive nowadays. I know. Just look at the tomatoes. They're almost double. And onions, wow. I remember last month they were half the price. True, even vegetables are so costly now. At least we are making our own curry. It's cheaper than eating outside. Definitely, homemade food is always better. Did you buy spices yesterday? Yes, I bought chili powder, turmeric, and coriander. Perfect. That will make the curry very tasty. How are the kids? They're fine. My son asked for fried chicken yesterday. Oh, mine also. Kids always want something special. Yes, sometimes I think they eat more than us. True, and they always finish the best pieces first. Did your husband help with shopping this week? A little. He gave me money and said, "Don't buy too much." Same here, but we need everything for the house. By the way, do you remember last month we cooked dal and vegetables? Yes, that was nice and simple, but today chicken curry will be special. Do you want me to grind the garlic and ginger? Yes, please. That will give the curry a nice flavor. You know, I was thinking maybe we should grow some vegetables at home. That would be amazing. No more high prices. Okay, I will start cooking the chicken. You add onions to the pan. Sure. Oh, the aroma is already amazing. Do you want some tea while cooking? Yes, a small cup. Tea makes cooking even more fun. Yes, and we can talk while stirring the curry. True, talking makes the kitchen lively. I was laughing yesterday. My husband tried to cook rice and burnt it. Men and cooking, same story here. Mine also burnt the roti once. Really? That's funny, but at least they try. Yes, and we laugh together, right? Look at the curry. It's looking so delicious now. Yes, soon we can serve it with fresh roti. Yum, I can't wait for lunch. Me too. Homemade food is the best. Okay, I will add some spices now. Can you stir it? Sure, stirring is my favorite part. Yes, and talking while cooking makes it fun. True, we should do this more often. By the way, we should plan something special for the kids next weekend. Yes, maybe some sweet dish or dessert. Great idea. Kids will love it. Absolutely, and we can enjoy it too.
Hello, uncle. How much is the potato today?
Hello, madam. Potatoes are 100 rupees per kilo.
Oh, that's a bit expensive. Can you give me 80 rupees per kilo?
Okay, for you 90 rupees per kilo.
Still a bit high. Can you make it 85?
All right, 85 rupees.
Thank you. How much are the tomatoes?
Tomatoes are 120 rupees per kilo.
Wow, that's too much. Can you give me 100?
110 is the best I can do.
Please, uncle. 100 is okay for today.
Okay, madam. 100 rupees per kilo.
And onions?
Onions are 60 rupees per kilo.
Can I get them for 50 rupees?
55 rupees per kilo.
All right, I will take 55. What about cauliflower?
80 rupees per kilo.
Can you give me 70?
75 rupees per kilo, madam.
Okay, 75. I'll take half a kilo. I also need spinach.
Spinach is 40 rupees per bunch.
Can I get 30 rupees per bunch?
35 rupees per bunch.
Fine, I'll take 2 bunches. And carrots?
70 rupees per kilo.
60 rupees?
65 rupees per kilo.
All right, 65. I'll take 1 kilo. Green chilies?
150 rupees per kilo.
That's too high. 100 rupees?
120 rupees.
Okay, 120 rupees per kilo. Any cabbage today?
Yes, 50 rupees per kilo.
Can you make it 40?
45 rupees per kilo, madam.
Okay, I'll take half a kilo. So, uncle, I need 1 kilo potatoes, 1 kilo tomatoes, 1 kilo onions, half kilo cauliflower, 2 bunches spinach, 1 kilo carrots, 1 kilo green chilies, and half kilo cabbage.
Sure, madam. That will be 85 plus 100 plus 55 plus 37.5 plus 70 plus 65 plus 120 plus 22.5 rupees.
All right, I will pay now. Thank you.
Thank you, madam. Come again.
Hello, how are you today? Hello, I'm good, thank you. How about you? I'm fine too. How are the kids? They are doing well. My son has homework and my daughter is playing outside. That's nice. My kids are also busy with school and games. How is your husband these days? He is fine, busy with work as usual. And yours? My husband is good too, but very tired after office. Yes, husbands are always busy. Do you get time for yourself? Sometimes, but mostly I'm looking after the kids and house. Same here. It's always a lot of work at home. What did your kids eat today? I gave them some rice and chicken. They liked it. Oh, that's good. I made some vegetables and roti. They ate well too. Do you take them to school by yourself? Yes, every day. My husband leaves early for work. Same here. I drop them and pick them up. Do you plan any outing for the weekend? Not yet. Maybe we'll go to the park? That's nice. We are thinking of visiting my mother this weekend. How is your mother? She is fine. Just needs some help with daily chores. Same with my mother-in-law. We try to help whenever possible. Do your kids like school? Yes, they like their teachers and friends. That's good. My kids also enjoy school activities. Do you cook daily at home? Yes, it's a daily routine. What about you? Same here. Cooking, cleaning, and taking care of kids keeps me busy. How do you manage household and kids together? It's not easy, but we try to manage step by step. Yes, planning and helping each other makes it easier. Do you get time to relax in the evening? Sometimes, after kids sleep, I like to read a little or watch TV. Same here, evening is the only quiet time for us. I'm glad we can talk and share like this. Me too, it's always nice to share and know each other's life. Let's have tea together next week too. Yes, that would be lovely.
Hey, how are you today?
Hi, I'm good. How about you?
I'm fine too. It's such a nice day to sit in the park.
Yes, I love coming here. The weather is perfect.
Look at the kids playing over there. They are so cute.
Yes, they are full of energy.
Did you bring anything to eat?
Yes, I brought some sandwiches. Do you want one?
Oh, yes, please. Thank you. So, how is your work these days?
Busy as usual, but I'm managing. What about you?
Same here. I have a lot of deadlines. We should take a short break sometime and just relax.
Definitely. A day in the park sounds perfect.
Have you seen the new cafe near the park?
Not yet, but I heard their coffee is really good.
Yes, we should go there next weekend.
Sure, that sounds like a great plan.
By the way, how is your family? Everyone is good, thanks. My brother just got a new job.
Wow, that's great news. Please give him my congratulations.
I will. How is your sister doing?
She's doing well, just busy with her studies.
Do you come to the park often?
Not every day, maybe once a week.
Same here, but it feels so relaxing when we come. Look at the birds. They look so colorful today.
Yes, I love watching them. Nature is beautiful.
Do you want to take a short walk around the park?
Sure, walking is good after sitting for a while.
Let's take some pictures too.
Great idea. We can make some nice memories.
I'm really happy we met today.
Me too. Talking here feels so peaceful.
We should do this more often.
Definitely. Friends and fresh air are the perfect combination.
Hello, uncle. How much is this dress?
Hello, madam. This dress is 2000 rupees.
2000. That's too much. Can you give me 1500?
1800 is the lowest I can do.
1800 is still high. Can you make it 1600?
1700 rupees, madam. That's very cheap already.
Please, uncle. 1600 is okay for me.
1650 rupees. Final price.
All right. How much for this sari?
2500 rupees.
2500. Can you reduce it to 2000?
No, madam. 2300 is the best I can give.
Come on, uncle. 2000 is okay. I'm buying today.
2200 rupees. Take it or leave it.
Okay, fine. 2200. And this suit?
1800 rupees.
Can you give 1500?
1700 rupees.
How about 1600?
1650 rupees. Take it, madam.
What about this frock?
1200 rupees.
1000 rupees?
1100 rupees.
Okay, I'll take it. And this kurta?
900 rupees.
Can you give 800 rupees?
850 rupees.
All right, I'll take one. This fabric looks nice. How much?
700 rupees per meter.
600 rupees?
650 rupees per meter.
Okay, I'll take 2 meters. And this fancy dupatta?
500 rupees.
400 rupees?
450 rupees.
All right, 450. I also like this lehenga. How much?
3500 rupees.
That's too expensive. Can you give 3000?
3300 rupees. That's the lowest I can go.
Please, 3000. I will buy today.
Okay, 3200 rupees. Final price.
So, uncle, I need one dress, one sari, one suit, one frock, one kurta, 2 meters fabric, one dupatta, and one lehenga.
Yes, madam. Let me calculate. 1650 plus 2200 plus 1650 plus 1100 plus 850 plus 1300 plus 450 plus 3200.
All right, I will pay now. Thank you.
Thank you, madam. Come again.
Do you have any discounts on new collection?
Sorry, madam. New collection has no discount.
Okay, maybe next time.
Sure, madam.
Can I try this dress before buying?
Yes, madam. You can try it in the fitting room.
Thank you. It fits well. I'll take it. Uncle, can I pay in cash or card?
Both options are available, madam.
I will pay in cash. Here you go.
Thank you, madam. Have a nice day.
Thank you. You too.